Everybody is looking for a safer and easier way to finish their 3D prints, right? Say goodbye to toxic chemicals and hello to ease. 3D print post-processing can seem daunting. Usually it's toxic chemicals like Bondo glazing spot putty or resin and endless sanding. But guess what? There's a better way. Use filler paint. It's non-toxic and much easier to sand because you're only sanding the filler, not the print itself. After removing supports and cleaning up your 3D print, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Paint your model with filler paint. Step 2. Sand it with 220 grit. Step 3. Spray with filler primer. Step 4. Repeat if necessary with 320 grit for Step 2. Pro tip, thin some paint down with a few drops of water for the first round. It saves paint and makes sanding even easier. Non-toxic, easy to sand, and inexpensive. Check it out at House Collectibles Store. Happy printing!